Great, because what the world really needed was another excuse for someone to vomit their lunch all over the internet. That's right, folks, we've got a whole generation of TikTok stars showcasing their impressive ability to gag up an entire bag of purple, juicy terror like it's some kind of twisted talent show. This chubby bunny challenge, which is literally just a dude in a onesie making hamster noises while spitting out grapes like they're going out of style, has reached new heights of absurdity. And let me tell you, this guy takes the cake, or rather, he takes the grape-stained shirt and runs with it. Substituting grapes for marshmallows. That's not a challenge, that's a cry for help. It's like if your in-laws came over unannounced and said, "Hey, we're gonna make some s'mores," with a side of anxiety. I mean, what's next? Using actual hamsters as snacks? But hey, at least this guy's got guts, or should I say, grape-filled stomach. He's like a human, grape-spitting, onesie-wearing juggernaut, leaving a trail of purple vomit in his wake. It's like he's trying to prove that even the most mundane challenges can be elevated to an art form, or at least make for some great YouTube views. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this guy just a grape-spitting, onesie-wearing weirdo, or is there something deeper going on here? Well, let me tell you, folks, this challenge is like a metaphor for life itself. It's all about finding the humor in our own mortality, and also finding a way to get rid of all those pesky grapes in your stomach. But seriously, have you ever noticed how some challenges just seem to be a cry for help? Like, "Hey, look at me, I'm spitting out grapes like they're going out of style." Is this what it feels like to be a functioning adult? It's like we're all just trying to prove that we can handle the pressure, and also that we don't have any actual talent. Anyway, kudos to this guy for bringing the funny, and also some impressive grape spitting skills. Just remember, folks, if you ever find yourself in a onesie, spitting out grapes like a hamster on Red Bull, just know that you're living your best life. Or, having a serious case of grape-induced trauma.